Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert here from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to talk about the two common Toto flappers. There are two major kinds of Toto flappers. They are color-coded, as you can see. The difference is the red one is a little bit faster flushing, has a large hole in the front of the ball of the flapper. And the blue one does not. If your Toto toilet is running with the mystery flush every 20 minutes, it's because the flapper has worn out and water is leaking out a little at the time and the flush valve is filling the tank as it empties. These flappers go bad. Toto toilet is running. You see what kind of flapper it requires. Now you can see that the two major kinds, maybe you can go get it without having to take one to the store, and here it is. Quick tip, Toto toilet repair from MrHardware.com.